Did you know that puffins, often called sea parrots, are some of nature's most remarkable birds? These adorable creatures are masters of land, sea, and air. With speeds up to 55 miles per hour, puffins are powerful flyers. Their wings beat an incredible 400 times per minute. But they don't stop there. Puffins are expert divers, using their wings to fly underwater, reaching depths of 200 feet to catch fish. And check this out. They can carry up to 10 small fish in their beak at once, thanks to a unique hinge in their jaw. These birds nest on rugged cliffs, often returning to the same spot year after year. But sadly, their population is declining due to climate change and overfishing. Let's celebrate and protect these incredible creatures. Like and follow News Nexus for more fascinating stories from the animal kingdom.